शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹர ஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே ஜகதः பிதரௌ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரௌ. ஸ்ரீ பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வராभ्यां நமः. कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the new session. So we'll be missing a few people because they've been doing the parallel session on Sundays. So when we started the previous one, so they're already almost 30-35 done. So and then a couple of people are off today, India vacation and stuff. So, okay, so we'll start with Dashakam 2. So, well, Dashakam 1 was more around, the glory of the Lord himself, why we should pray to him. That was Dashakam 1. And Dashakam 2 is about the form of the Lord which you have to pay. So this is kind of very similar to the 100th chapter. This here, Bhattacharya is again describing the form of the Lord and why this is the great form of the Lord. It's good for meditation and all that. So, okay. So, so maybe Sindhuji, you and Jayashree, you can be student in the first half, and then we'll switch halfway. Okay. So stanza 1. सूर्यस्पर्धिकिरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरं कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्दहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटं गण्डोऽध्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे. This is again one full description, right? So bhaje, I want to meditate on that form of yours, who is the kiritam that you are wearing, the one which you're wearing on your forehead, is Surya Spardhi. It is shining so much that it is brighter than all the suns put together. It is really shining a lot. Urdhva Tilaka, so Tilakam, the sandalwood paste that you have, which we also saw in the 100th chapter, right? In your wide forehead, the white sandalwood paste that you have, which is going up, right? Bhattacharya is describing in the 100th chapter that it is like the 5th day moon. It is like a thin sliver, right? Like a 5th day moon. So that sandalwood paste, which is actually going up. Then Karunya Kula Netram, the eyes of yours, which are very compassionate to look at. Then Ardha Hasitol Lasam. So all the forms of the Lord, you'll find him in a smiling form, right? In Krishna's, everything is in a smiling form. So that face of yours, which is very smiling. And then that, if you remember, even in the 100th chapter, he said that you are wearing 2 earrings, fish-shaped earrings on your ears, which are reflecting in your emerald-like cheeks. He had kind of described it that way. So it comes kind of very similar. He says you are wearing 2 earrings, right, which are fish-shaped in there. And then Kanto Jwalat Kaustubam, the Kaustuba necklace, which you are wearing in your neck. And then Vanamalya Hara Patala. So you're wearing this lot of, the Tulsi garland along with other flowers and necklaces, which you are actually wearing in your around your neck, along with the Srivatsa mark, which is in your chest. So this form of yours, Twadrupam, this form of yours, I am meditating on.
Spardhina enna meaning? Surya Spardhina சொல்றது. Spardhina the
shining. So Surya, so is the sun, right? So in brilliance, you can think of brilliance of it. So Kiritam that you have, which is as shining and as brilliant as the shining sun.
And Urdhvamna Chandanama.
Urdhvam is going up, vertical.
Oh.
Mela okay. So Urdhva Tilaka Prodbhas. Tilakam is the Tilakam. Phalantaram is your forehead. Urdhva is like vertical or going up, however you want to call it. So Surya Spardhi Kiritam Urdhva Tilaka Prodbhasi Phalantaram. So continuous and then a comma at the end. Karunyakula Netram Ardra Hasitollasam Sunasa Putam. That's also continuous. Surya Spardhi Kiritam Urdhva Tilaka Prodbhasi Phalantaram Karunyakula Netram Ardra Hasitollasam Sunasa Putam.
सूर्यस्पर्धिगिरीडमूर्ध्वदिलगत् प्रोद्भासि बालान्दरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसिदोल्लासं सुनासाबुडम् सूर्यस्पर्धिगिरीडमूर्ध्वदिलगत् प्रोद्भासि बालान्दरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसिदोल्लासं सुनासाबुडम्
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरं कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम् सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरं कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्
Gandodhyan Makarabha kundala yugam comma khanto jwalat kaustubham comma twadrupam vanamalya hara patala श्रीवत्स दीप्रम भजे गंधोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कंठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे
गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे
गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलत् श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे.
So most of the stanzas in this chapter, you can kind of, it's on a daily basis you can chant, because really what you're saying is I'm meditating on this form of yours, right? So stanza 2. केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगद गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहां काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छित लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तेच्छिदम्. So now this describing the hands. So he says, so the first one is the Keyura are like in all the generals and all wear something on your shoulders, right? Something to indicate. So that is that Keyura. Then Kankana. So the Angada is the armlet. So what they wear at the top of the arm, right? And around your biceps. That's the Angada. Then Kankana is the bracelets, right? That you're actually wearing. As well as Anguli Angida is the finger rings. So all of these ornaments that you are actually wearing are, are decorated, studded with jewels and everything. And then in your Chatushka, in your 4 hands, you are actually keeping Gada. One is the Gadai. Shankar is the conch. Ari is referring to the discus. And Pankeruham is the lotus. So those are what you're having in your 4 hands. So that is what is in the first 2 stanzas. Then the second 2 stanzas is talking about how, again, Pitambara Alambini, you're wearing this yellow garment, right, on your waist and feet and everything, and then you have something around your waist. So all of that same thing that we learned in the 100th chapter. And then he says this form of yours, when you're standing like this in front of yours, then this form is so indescribable. It's very hard to describe this form, right? So in that form of yours, Alambe, I'm seeking refuge. I'm surrendering myself to that form of yours that we just described here. So Keyurangada Kankanottama Maha Ratnanguliyankita. So Ratna Anguliya Ankita. 3 words coming there. So you have to say it together because the A is getting joined. So Ratnanguliyankita, and then put a plus. And then you have to say the second line together. Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankhari Pankeruham. Keyurangada Kankanottama Maharatnanguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangata Gada Shankari Pankeruham.
केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्गिद श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्क सङ्गद गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्. केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्गिद श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्क सङ्गद गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्.
केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क सङ्घत गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्. केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्कसङ्घतगदा शङ्खारिपङ्केरुहाम्
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चि लाञ्छित लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीं. That word is together. Put a im at the end of that line. Pītambarālambinim, im, and then comma. Next line, that ma becomes a ap. Alambe vimalambhuja dyuti padam murtim. Someplace a murti. If you have just a murti, put a im there. Murtim thavartichidam. कांचित कांचन कांचिलांछितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्. काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्. काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
Answer please.
Rajesh,
Yeah.
sorry, அந்த ஆலம்பே அந்த செகண்ட் லைன் வந்து ஃபுல் கண்டினியூஸா இல்லையா?
புரியல.
அங்க பாஸே கிடையாது. இந்த இதுல ஒரே ஒரு பாஸ் தான்.
ஆமா, ஆமா.
பீதாம்பராலம்பினி மட்டும் தான் பாஸ்.
Correct, correct. Yeah. Third line க்கு அப்புறம். Stanza 3. यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिदानथोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. He says, it is not just me who is telling that, your form is so attractive or so indescribable. Because when people start looking at it, he says, one is Trailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam. Among the entire three worlds, among everything which is considered great, your form seems to be greater than the greatest. Sammohanam Mohanat. So Mohanam is like very enchanting, very attractive. So even it's more attractive than the most attractive thing. She's kind of comparing everything with the best. So he's saying it's more enchanting than the most enchanting. Then Kanti Nidhanatopi Kantam is the brilliance. Kanti means brilliance, shining. So it's more shining or more brilliant than the most shining object. Then Madhuram Madhurya Dhuryadapi. So in sweetness, it is sweeter than the sweetest thing. Then Saundaryotaratopi Sundarataram. It is more beautiful, Sundaram, beautiful than the most beautiful thing that is there in this world. Ascharyatopi Api Ascharyam. So if you pick something which is very Ascharyam, which is very surprising in this world, right? Is how can this be? I can't believe it is so, if you kind of call it as that surprising item, it is even more surprising or even more better, Ascharyam, even more better than that. So this Twadrupam, this form of yours, how is it not possible that everybody would also feel the same way? No wonder everybody feels that this form of yours is so great, because it is better than the best out there. So yet Trailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam, comma, Sammohanam Mohanat, comma, Kantam Kanti Nidhanatopi, comma, Madhuram Madhurya Dhuryadapi. Yatrailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam Sammohanam Mohanat Kantam Kanti Nidanatopi Madhuram Madhurya Dhuryadapi.
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽभिमहिदं सम्मोहनं मोहनाद कान्तं कान्तिनिदानदोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽभिमहिदं सम्मोहनं मोहनाद कान्तं कान्तिनिदानदोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं कॉमा त्वद्रूपं आश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं. So you kind of put a plus at the end of that line. So त्वद्रूपं आश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं. What it is trying to say is आश्चर्यतो अपि आश्चर्यम. It is more attractive than आश्चर्यम. But when you say that api आश्चर्यतो api and आश्चर्यम, it becomes pya. That's why that you see that pya letter come there.
என்னோடதுல வந்து ஆச்சரியத்தோபி செகண்ட் லைன்ல ஆச்சரியம்னு தனியா
போட்டுருக்கான். அது வந்து ஜெனரலா அது வந்து api and ஆச்சரியம் அப்படி வந்துனாக்கா when you say it together it becomes pya. P and a becomes a pya, pya. So it becomes आश्चर्यतो प्याश्चर्यम. Okay. But the two words are api and आश्चर्यम only, but it is sandhi joined. So after प्याश्चर्यम put a comma. भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
तत्ताधृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मही सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तेनास्यापत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चाबलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्. So it says because of this form of yours, so your Devi, Sa Devi, that lady of yours, which is referring to Lakshmi Devi, so she is drawn so much by your beauty and everything that she's always residing in you. So Lakshmi always is residing in your chest. And because of this, what happens, he says, is all the devotees of Lakshmi Devi are now beginning to call her as Chapalya, I mean someone who's very fickle-minded, because what is happening is she's not staying with them. So as a devotee, if I'm praying to Lakshmi Devi, she's not staying with me because she keeps getting so attracted to you that she keeps going back to you. So she's not remaining in my house, so she's not able to remain with me. So another Lakshmi, so all these devotees of Lakshmi Devi are calling her very fickle-minded because she keeps going back to you. But it's no wonder, because of this form of yours, she's always attached to you and she's always sitting in your chest, right? She's residing in you, and that's why she's always. So no wonder, right, that she is being very fickle-minded. So tatta dhrinh madhuratmakam tava vapuhu, comma, samprapya sampanmayi, comma, sa devi paramotsuka, comma, chirataram Chiratara means naste. It is not staying for a long time. Chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi. Tattadhrang maduratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmahi sadevi paramotsukha chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi.
Tattadrang madhuratmagam davavabuhu samprapya sambanmayi sa devi paramotsuga chiradaram naste swabhakteshwapi. Tattadrang madhuratmagam davavabuhu samprapya sambanmayi sa devi paramotsuga chiradaram naste swabhakteshwapi.
तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
Tenasya bata kashtam achyuta vibho, comma, twadrupa manognyaka, nya and then ka, manognyaka and then put a plus. Prema stairya mayat achapala. If you want to break it, you can break it the da, otherwise you can say it together. Prema stairya mayada chapala balat. If you have a ich and then a cha, you remove that first ich and then put a it first ta. Chapala balat it, comma. Then chapalya vartoda bhut. Tenhasya bata kashtamachyuta vibho twadrupamano prema stairya mayada chabala balat. Chapalya vartoda bhut.
Tenasya badakashtamachyuda vibho tudruvamanoඥaga premastairyamayada jabalabalad chabalyavartoda bhud. Tenasya badakashtamachyuda vibho tudruvamanoඥaga premastairyamayada jabalabalad chabalyavartoda bhud.
तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
Answer fine. Lakshmi stavakaramaniya kakritai vehyam pareshwasthireti asminnanyadapi pramana maduna vakshyami lakshmi pate etva gunanu kirtana rasa saktahi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasate sthiraiva dayita prastava dattadara. Says another, I'll give you another example why, to kind of continue from the previous thing as to why Lakshmi Devi is so fickle minded and she always keeps coming back to you. Is he says, while she doesn't stay, Lakshmi Devi doesn't stay back in people who worship her. However, anybody who is meditating on your bliss, right? So here he says, that's why he says that Twadhyana, people who are meditating on you, Gunano Kirtana, people who are talking about your attributes and you're singing about you and talking about your glory, she seems to immediately go to their houses or she immediately seems to be residing there. So I think because of this is why, he says, because of this is why I'm thinking that she's more fickle minded. She's only attached to you. So either she's with you or she's with people who are always thinking about you, right? So in the, if you remember, right, the Lakshmi Swayamvaram, which we did, I think in the 28th chapter, in the 7th stanza, right? It says that Girisha Druhinadi Sarvadevan Gunabhajopya Vimukta Doshaleshan Avamrishya Tadaiva Sarvaramya. So Lakshmi Devi is going around walking with a garland and she says, Brahma is there. Brahma is the most powerful person, but then he is also contained, right? He has a limit. Then Girisha, who is there, Shiva is there, is very powerful, but then at times he gets angry. Indra is there, but Indra is also bound by desires. And then he says the only person who's not bound by anything is you, and that's why she comes and puts the mala to you. So that's what he's kind of also saying, that she's always going to be residing with you, in you. So whoever wants Lakshmi Devi, he says, is you have to make sure that you're thinking about, we have to think about you and meditate on you, because then automatically Lakshmi Devi will be there with that person. So Lakshmi's Tavaka Ramaniya Kahrutai Veyam Pareshwasthireti. Put a small t at the end. Pareshwasthireti, and then a comma. Next line, if you have the pya, that goes away, put a a. So asmin nanyadapi. So asmin nanyadapi pramana madhuna, comma, vakshyami Lakshmi pate.
The first line, Lakshmi Davaka or Davata?
Lakshmi's Tavaka, th, Tavaka, first ta.
Davaka.
Tavaka.
Okay.
Lakshmi's Tavaka Ramaniyaka Hritai Vehyam Pareshwasthireti Asmin Nanyadape Pramana Madhuna Vakshyami Lakshmi Pate.
Lakshmi Stavagaramaniya Gahridaivyam Pareshwasthireti Asminnanyadapi Pramanamadhuna Vakshyami Lakshmi Pade. Lakshmi Stavagaramaniya Gahridaivyam Pareshwasthireti Asminnanyadapi Pramanamadhuna Vakshyami Lakshmi Pade.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतै वेयं परेष्वस्थिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतै वेयं परेष्वस्थिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
ये त्वद् ध्यान गुणानु कीर्तन रसा sakta hi bhakta janaha. So put the visarga at the end of that line and a comma, janaha. That line is continuous, no pause. Next line, that is goes away. So teshvesha vasati sthiraiva, comma, daita prastava dattadhara. Etwadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha. Teshvesha vasate sthiraiva daita prastava dattadhara.
Rajesh ji, there is comma after Janaha, right?
Yeah, end of that line, yeah.
Is there a pause after Sthiraiva?
Yeah, after Sthiraiva, yeah.
Okay. Ye todhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha tveshesha vasadi sthiraiva deida prastava dattadara. Ye todhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha tveshesha vasadi sthiraiva deida prastava dattadara.
ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसा सक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव द्वैतप्रस्तावदत्तादरा ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसा सक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव द्वैतप्रस्तावदत्तादरा.
Answer 6. Evam bhutamanognata navasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanam chetoharam shrinmatam sadyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchatyapishita bashpa visarai Ananda Murchodbhavaihi. So this form, he says, of yours, which we've described above in all the above paragraphs, whether somebody is seeing it or they are just hearing it, right? Just hearing that form of yours. So what it creates in people, he says, is one is, first of all, it immediately madayate, it fills them with happiness, right? Then angakam, in the entire body, the romancha, like the horripilation all over the body, they feel, or they can feel the horripilation all over the body. And then Ananda Murchodbhavaihi. So they start getting, happy tears, right? So happy tears flowing, in a happy thing, and they get to a state of high level of ecstasy just by hearing or even looking at your form. So evam bhuta manognyata nava sudha. Sudha is referring to honey or nectar. So this nectar form of yours, nava sudha nishyanda sandohanam. So that line is continuous, comma then sandohanam. Twadrupam para chidra sayanamayam, comma chetoharam shrunvatam. Evam bhuta manognyata navasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam para chidra sayanamayam chetoharam shrunvatam.
Evam bhuta manojnadana vasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamayam chedoharam srinvadam. Evam bhuta manojnadana vasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamayam chedoharam srinvadam.
Evam bhuta manojnatana vasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamayam chetoharam shrunvatam. Evam bhuta manojnatana vasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamayam chetoharam shrunvatam.
Sadhyaha, put a F there, sadhyah prerayate matim madayate, comma romancha yatyangakam. That's one word. So romancha yatyangakam, comma vyasinchhatyapi shita bashpa visaraihi. So the ra that is there, remove that, put a visarga and a comma, visaraihi, comma. Next word starts with the a, ananda murchodbhavaihi. Sadhyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchhatyapi shita bashpa visaraihi ananda murchodbhavaihi.
Sadhya prerayade madim madayade romanjayatyangagam vyasinjatyabhisida bashpa visareihi anandamurchodbhavaihi. Sadhya prerayade madim madayade romanjayatyangagam vyasinjatyabhisida bashpa visareihi anandamurchodbhavaihi.
Sadhyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchhatyapi shita bhashpa visaraihi anandamurchodbhavaihi. Sadhyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchhatyapi shita bhashpa visaraihi anandamurchodbhavaihi.
Stanza 7. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya yogasya yogadvayat karma jnanamayad brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate saundaryaikarasaatmake tvayi kalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi nishramameva vishwapurushair labhya rama vallabha. Rama Vallabha, consort of Rama, consort of Lakshmi. So the bhakti, right, which was the feeling which was described in the previous stanza. It is by just looking at your form or by just hearing your form, I'm feeling all this ecstasy, I'm having this happy tears coming, I'm feeling horripilation all over my body, I'm being filled with happiness. So that level of feeling, he says, is indeed superior. That form of yoga, he says, is superior to the form of the karma yoga and the jnana yoga, and he'll tell why in the next couple of stanzas. He says because of that, this form of yoga is the highest level. And he says not only me telling, Yogishwara, all the great sages have said that that is the better form of thing. And this one is because this is intense love for you. This is nishramameva. This is without any shramam, without any effort, you can actually attain this thing. So for the Vishwa Purusha, for all the people in this whole world, nishramameva, very easily this can be attained without anything. So that's why he says the Bhakti Yoga is been said as the highest form, and because it's much more easy and it also will come naturally. So evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito, comma, yogassa yoga dvayat, comma, karma jnana mayat brushotthamataro, comma, yogishwarair giyate. एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्म ज्ञानमयात् दृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते.
एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्म ज्ञानमयात् दृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते. एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्म ज्ञानमयात् दृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते.
एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्म ज्ञानमयात् दृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते. एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्म ज्ञानमयात् दृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते.
सौंदर्यैक रसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका bhaktihi. So put a plus at the end of that line. Prema prakarshatmika, then bhaktihi. On top of that ni, if you have a ir, remove that, put a visarga and a comma. So the third line is continuous, and then it comes after bhaktihi, comma after that. Nishramameva vishwa purushair labhya rama vallabha. सौंदर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभा.
सौंदर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभा. सौंदर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभा.
सौंदर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभा. सौंदर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभा.
Stanza 8. निष्कामं नियतस्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्दूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषदज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वाधीयसी श्रेयसी. So if you pick karma yoga, the karma yoga, what it says is you have to do your duties whatever you are supposed to do, you're supposed to do your duties, and you are not supposed to expect the results of it, right? You're not doing the duty because you're expecting a result. You're doing it because that's your duty to do it. He says the problem with that, first of all, is it is very difficult to get to that state. But let's say even if somebody gets to that state, how long are you going to be able to do it? It's very, you keep doing it for 1 week, and I can tell everybody telling, every parent telling, I'm doing all these things, and this person doesn't even appreciate that I'm doing everything, right? And the kids say that, we all say that, right? So the moment you say that, all of a sudden that, you are expecting somebody to do, you're like, no, I'm not. It's not that you have to buy me gifts and praise me. At least say thank you once in a while, right? So we all get to that state, right? So he says, but that's why this karma yoga is hard, because you have to do your duties and you cannot expect results, and you have to do this for a really long time. You have to be persistent in it, and you can't see the immediate benefits of it, right? And you start wondering, why am I doing? That's the problem with the karma yoga, he says. Then the problem with the jnana yoga, he says, is the general sense organs with which we do everything else. So we can feel taste, we can feel the heat, or everything we do with your sense organs. With that, you cannot understand the true nature of the Brahman, because it's very difficult to comprehend. So it's not with your sensory organs. You have to get into that state where you've been meditating, and then you go into that completely different world for you to realize it. So it says it's so hard to understand the true nature of the Brahman and everything. So because of all this, it gets extremely complicated. And he says, however, tvat prematmaka bhakti reva, I only need to have love for you and devotion for you. That's all is needed, and that's all is required for bhakti yoga. He says that's why he says, because of which bhakti yoga is better than the karma yoga and jnana yoga to pursue. Not that others are bad, but he just says which is relatively easy, right? So nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam, comma, yat karma yoga bhidam, comma, tad duretya phalam yadaupanishada. So Yada Upanishad, that's what it means there. Yada Upanishada Jnanopha Labhyam Punaha. So second line is continuous. Nishkamam Niyata Swadharma Charanam Yat Karma Yoga Bhidam Tad Duretya Phalam Yada Upanishada Jnanopha Labhyam Punaha.
Nishkamam niyada swadharma jaranam yat karma yogabhidam tadduretya bhalam yada upanishad jnano balabhyam punaha.
Upanishada, that's a full da there. Yada Upanishada.
Yeah, okay. Nishkamam niyada swadharma jaranam yat karma yogabhidam tadduretya bhalam yada upanishad jnano balabhyam punaha.
Nishkamam niyataswadharmacharanam yatkarma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishada jnanopalabhyam punaha. Nishkamam niyataswadharmacharanam yatkarma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishada jnanopalabhyam punaha.
Tattva Vyaktataya. So two it's coming there. Tattva Vyaktataya Sudur Gamataram Chittasya Tasmad Vibho, comma, Tvat Prematmaka Bhaktireva, comma, Satatam Swadiyasi Shreyasi. Tattva Vyaktataya Sudur Gamataram Chittasya Tasmad Vibho Tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi.
Tattva vyaktadaya sudurgamadaram chittasya tasmad vibho tvat prematmaga bhaktireva sadadam swadhiyasi shreyasi. Tattva vyaktadaya sudurgamadaram chittasya tasmad vibho tvat prematmaga bhaktireva sadadam swadhiyasi shreyasi.
Tattvavyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmad vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadiyasi shreyasi. तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद् विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी.
We'll switch halfway around. Aarti, you can be a student, and Vani Garu, you can be a student.
Yeah.
Stanza 9. अत्याह्यासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवापि उचिततामाह्यान्ति किं तावता क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्धत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. Again, he's continuing on that conversation to say that the eventual goal is to come to the realization that you are one with the God, right? That is the eventual goal. Now you have to get to that realization no matter which path you follow, right? But he says the problem with the karma yoga is all the rituals, all the homams, everything you do, it all helps in purification of the mind first. That's what it does, right? It gets your mind clean, gets your mind purified. And then you have to still go attain that knowledge, right? You still haven't attained that knowledge just by doing all these things. So he says, so you have to, so that is one problem with it. So first you have to purify your mind through all these karmas, actions and everything, calm down, then you have to attain the knowledge. And the other problem with the Jnana Yoga, if you directly get into understanding the Brahman and everything, is it takes several lives of trying to realize and, multiple, it's not easy to understand. So it will take several lives. And however, the Bhakti Yoga, the advantages, just by doing it, when you reach the Parama Bhakti, he says you'll automatically realize that you are one with God. So that will automatically come to you when you reach the highest state of Bhakti. So again, that's why he's comparing and saying that is easier because you don't have to go through multiple steps. You just have to do one thing and that will eventually help you realize it. So, Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalani. So you have Patalanya. In and the ya you have, we're going to break it up. So Karma Patalani, short ni, and then comma. The next word starts with a A. Acharya Niryanmalaha. Put a visarga there if you don't have it, and then a comma. Acharya Niryanmalaha. Bhode Bhakti Pateta Vapi. So same logic as previous line. In and a ya we combine. Here ip and a ya is there. So put a small p, pi. Bhakti Pateta Vapi, comma. Next word, that ip and u, right, that goes away. It becomes Uchitatam. It starts with the u. Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata. Atyahya Sakarani Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata.
Rajesh, அந்த நெறிய அந்த அந்த ஆச்சாரிய அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுக்கு ஒரு கமா இருக்கா அதுக்கப்புறம்
இல்ல ஆச்சரியக்கு அப்புறம் இல்ல ஆச்சரிய நிர்யன்மலாஹா and then there is a comma there.
Okay.
अत्याया सकराणि कर्म पटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवापि उचिततामायान्ति किं तावता अत्याया सकराणि कर्म पटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता
अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आश्चर्य निर्यान्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता.
The first line, Acharya, I think you said Ashcharya, just Acharya.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the second line, Bhakti Pateta Vapi, and then there is a comma there. Then Uchitatam Ayanti. Okay.
अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता.
The pause again after bhakti pateta vapi, and then a pause.
Okay,
You're
I'm not
pausing
giving enough
after
space.
uchitatam. Yeah, I think you're pausing after uchitatam.
Okay.
Okay. Klishtva tarkapate param tava vapuhu. So put a visarga and a comma there, vapuhu. And then top of the next one, brahmakya, you'll have a ir, you can remove that off. So vapuhu, comma. Brahmakya manye punaha. Again, visarga and a comma there. Next line, ish goes away. So it becomes chittar dratva mrite. Chittar dratva mrite vichintya, and then a comma. Bahubhis siddhyanti janmantarehi. So one comma in the third line after vapuhu, then end of that line punaha, then after vichintya in the fourth line. Klishtva tarkapate param tava vapuhu brahmakya manye punaha chittardratva vichintya bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्ताद्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य चित्ताद्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्ताद्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः.
ராஜேஷ், ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின். அந்த ரெண்டாவது லைன்ல பாஸே கிடையாது இல்லையா? கண்டினியூஸ் தான்.
In the vichintya, after vichintya there is a pause.
Oh,
Okay, after vichintya.
okay, thank you.
Transaten. Tvat bhaktistu katharasa jari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim akleshatastanvati sadhya siddhikari jayatyai vibho saivastu me tvat pada prema praudirasardrata drutataram vathalayadhishwara. So again, he's just summarizing everything. He's saying that this devotion, bhakti to you, this bhaktistu, which comes from katha rasa, by just hearing all the stories about you and hearing all the narrations and singing and everything, right? When that starts flowing, I'll eventually get that. So he then again prays, saying that, may you give me the blessing so that my heart will start liking you, right? So because first step is that he says my heart has to melt so that it falls in love with you, so that I get more and more bhakti towards you. So please bless me, O Vathalayadhishwara. So tvat bhaktistu, comma, katha rasamrita jari nirmajjanena swayam, and then put a plus, siddhyanti, and then a comma. So one comma after bhaktistu, then plus at the end of that line, then comma after siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim aklesha, if you want to break it, padavim akleshatas tanvati. Tvat bhaktistu katharasamrita jari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim akleshatas tanvati.
त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती
त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतझरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति प्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती त्वद्भक्तिस्तु त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतझरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती
Sadyas siddhikari jayatyai vibho, comma, saivastu me tvat pada, and then put a plus. So vibho, comma, and then put a plus after tvat pada. Prema praudhi rasardrata drutataram, comma, vathalaya dhishwara. Sadhya siddhikari jayatyai vibho saivastu me tvatpada prema praudi rasardrata drutataram vathalayadhishwara.
सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्यै विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसार्द्रता धृततरं वातालयाधीश्वर அந்த திருதரம் கரெக்டா ராஜேஷ்?
Drutataram.
அடுத்தது
First
सद्य सिद्धिकरी जयत्यै विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसार्द्रता धृततरं वातालयाधीश्वर.
Drutataram, after that there is a pause, okay?
Okay.
ராஜேஷ் இந்த விபோக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் மார்க் மாதிரி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அது.
What is that? Vibho is like, you know, in the Sanskrit, when you say Vibho is like oh Lord. That's what it means. And when you say oh Lord, right, then you kind of exclamation, right? And the Vibho, that's what it's the, and Vibaha is somebody who is like pervading everywhere, all over the place. Vibaha. Vibho means oh Lord, when you say oh one who pervades everywhere. Then there's an exclamation.
सद्य सिद्धिकरी जयत्वयि विभो सैवास्तु मे तत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसार्द्रता धृततरं पातालयाधीश्वर.
Vani Garu, the third line, Jayat Yai. I think you said something else in that word. Wow.
Jayat Yai.
Yeah, correct.
Jayat Yai. Sadhya Siddhikari Jayat Yai. Is it correct?
Yep.
Sadhya Siddhikari Jayat Yai Vibho Saivastu me tatpadat prema praudhirasadhrata dhrutataram vatalayadhishvara.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Okay, we'll do a few stanzas of the third chapter. So third chapter is two parts. It is Bhakta Swarupa Varnanam, which is what are the qualities of a perfect devotee, and then Bhakti Prarthana, and then saying how to then Prarthana, prayer to get that Bhakti so you can become like a perfect devotee, right? So there's a kind of a little bit, even this also is like a little bit of a prayer where he prays in a lot of stanzas in between also, it's a prayer, right, that he actually does here. So stanza 1, Pathanto namani pramada bharasindhau nipatitaha Smaranto rupam te varada khatayanto gunakataha charanto ye bhaktaha toi khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadigata sarva bhilashitan. So he says that I consider those people, those devotees of you, or those people who are to be the most fortunate, who are, and then he starts listing, right? Who are always chanting your name, like Patantaha, who is always chanting your names, Smarantaha, who are always meditating on you, right? And then they're always like, Gunakataha, they're always explaining your excellences, explaining your greatness, right? So either chanting or meditating or explaining your greatness, and then because of which they're always in a state of bliss when they are doing that, right? So I really, he says, I consider them very fortunate because they are able to get to that state. And the other important thing he says is, without, which is again very hard for all of us, is charantaha, he says is that they are not constrained to be sitting in one place. So they are not bound to one location, right? They're just wandering. They're just wandering from place to place, right? Always moving about because they're not attached to one place, right? And then they don't have any other desires other than to be praying to you and to be worshipping you. That's their only desire. And they're just keeping moving around. He says that kind of characteristics, he says, they are very blessed. And I consider those devotees to be extremely fortunate, right? So I was telling you, right, in Akshardham when I went, this Swaminarayan temple, right? So that Swaminarayan, that is his name, he got later. It was earlier. At I think the age of 11 or something, he left his house, right? That person, as a boy, he left his house, and then he traveled across the entire country. And they have an amazing video. Next time, if you go to Delhi, visit the Akshardham temple and go through some of the shows they have, right? They have this big screen show about him. And he goes through every place in the north. He goes to, goes all the way to Himalayas, and he goes to Kashmir, he goes to Rajasthan, he comes all the way to Rameshwaram. All of this when he was 11 years old, right? And he traveled everything on foot with absolutely nothing, right? To just go looking, right? So it was one interesting thing was one person asks him is that how come you left your house, right? How come you left your house and you're coming? So he says, I didn't leave my house. He says, this entire earth, it's for me, and wherever there is God, that is house for me. So when I'm here, I'm sitting under this tree, that is my house. When I'm in your house, that is my house too. Wherever I'm wandering, that is my house. And wherever I can think about God and realize God, that is my house, right? So it's an amazing series that you should check on that. Anyway, but that's what he says here is they are not attached to anything else. They don't have any other desires. And those people, I consider them very fortunate as the highest of devotees. So, patanto namani, comma, pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha, comma, smaranto rupam te, comma, varada kathayanto gunakataha. Patanto namani pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha, smaranto rupam te, varada kathayanto gunakataha.
Patanto namani pramadabara sindhau nipatitaha, smaranto rupam te, varada kadayanto gunakataha. Patanto namani pramadabara sindhau nipatitaha, smaranto rupam te, varada kadayanto gunakataha.
Pathanto namani pramadabara sindhau nipatitaha, smaranto rupam te, varada katayanto gunakataha. Patanto namani pramadabara sindhau nipatitaha, smaranto rupam te, varada katayanto gunakataha.
Charanto ye bhaktaha. So it is that is there. Remove it. Put a visarga and a comma. Bhaktaha. Tvai khalu ramante paramamoon. Put a in at the end of that line. Paramamoon and then a comma. Next line that na goes away. Aham starts with the a. Aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhilashitan. So that line is continuous. No pause in the fourth line. Charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhilashitan.
Charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhilashitan. Charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वा विलसितान्
चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममुन् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान् चिरन्तो ये भक्ता
Charanto, sir.
sorry चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममुन् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्
Stanza 2. Gadakklishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabharepi anasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudaya bhavat padam bhojas smarana rasiko nama nivahan aham gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. So he says, while like we described in the previous one, I want to be like those devotees, right? This is Bhattaripat saying in first person. So when you say, you are saying it in first person, right? So he says, I want to be like those people. However, he says, I'm having a lot of problems, right? He says, I have problems in my mind. I have problems in my body, right? He is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis when he's writing this, right? Third chapter, right? So he says, Chittam, in my mind also, I have a lot of difficulties, right? And I also have difficulties in my body. So he says, because of these difficulties, I don't even feel like I want to go and enjoy the bliss of your feet. So he says, because those are blocking me, right? Because we always say that, you know what, I'm not feeling well. So let me first recover, right? Or I'm going through all these. I have so many things going on in my mind at work and house and everything. So I don't think I have time, or I don't think I have that, mental clarity or a break to now go and pray. So he says, that's what he says, even I am feeling. He says, I'm not, my body is blocking me, my mind is blocking me, that even though this bliss is there, I don't even feel like going there, right? He says, Daya Kuru, Dayam Kuru. So he says, please shower your compassion on me so that I'm not getting blocked by these things. And then you bless me so that I feel like, right, wanting to always be worshipping you. Gayam, I want to be going around singing your names, right? Kuhachana, and stay anywhere, right? I'm not going to be bothered. I want to be able to go anywhere I want and then always be worshipping your name. And then start Bhavat Pajam Bhojas Smaran. I want to be able to worship your feet. So please bless me so that I feel like that. So he's also kind of going through the same problems, right? Mental and physical problems. He says, please bless me so that those don't come and block me. So Gada Klishtam Kashtam, comma, Tava Charana Seva Rasa Bharepi. So put a short P there and a comma. Rasa Bharepi, comma. Next line, that Pya, P-Y-A, Pya that you have, that goes away. Replace it with the A. Anasaktam Chittam Bhavati Bata, comma, Vishnu Kuru Dayam. Gada Klishtam Kashtam Tava Charana Seva Rasa Bharepi Anasaktam Chittam Bhavati Bata Vishnu Kuru Dayam.
அங்க கமா எங்க திருப்பி வருது
And
சொல்லுங்க.
the first line after Kashtam, second line after Bhavati Bata.
Gada klishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabarepi anasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudayam. Gada klishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabarepi anasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudayam.
गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति भत विष्णो कुरु दयाम् गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरु दयाम्
Bhavat Padam Bhoja Smarana Rasiko Nama Nivahan. Put a in at the end of that line and a comma. Nama Nivahan, comma. So that line is continuous, comma at the end. Next line, that na goes away, it becomes a. Aham gayam gayam, comma. Kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Bhavat padam bhoja smarana rasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane.
भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने.
So after Gayam Gayam, there is a comma, right?
Yeah.
Bhavatpadam bhojasmarana rasiko namani nivahana aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Bhavatpadam bhojasmarana rasiko namani nivahan.
Nama nivahan.
Nama nivahan.
Yeah.
Bhavatpadam bhojasmarana rasiko nama nivahan aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane.
That's a 3. Kripate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati nakeke lokesmin anishamai shokha bhirahitaha bhavat bhakta muktaha sukagati masakta vidadhate. Says, I know there are a lot of devotees of you, and he'll talk about some in the next stanza as well. I know there are a lot of devotees of you who are completely free from all sorrow, who are completely liberated, who can go anywhere they want, right? They're not bound by any constraints. They're always in a state of bliss, right? So he says, I know there are a lot of devotees of yours like that. And he says, I also know that anybody who has your grace can get to that state. Right. So then he says, when all that is there, he says it is such a, which is that word I'm looking for here, that he says here. He says it's, so it is so insignificant for you to eradicate my ailments. He says it's not even a big deal, right? You do so many things. There are devotees who attain full liberation, who can go anywhere they want. They can have all this. However, all I am asking for is just eradicate my ailment so that I can be devoted to you. So it should not be a big task. It should not be a big deal for you. So he says, how can this be so complicated? So he's kind of asking that, right, to the Lord, as to it should be very easy for you to get rid of my ailments, right, on this here. So kripate jata chet. After chet, you put a comma. Kimiva nahi labhyam thanubritam. Labhyam thanubritam, comma. Madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati. So that second line, there's no pause. Kripate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati.
कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव नहि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौघ प्रशमन दशा नाम कियति. कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव नहि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौघ प्रशमन दशा नाम कियति.
Krupate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati. Krupate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam madiya kleshaugha prashamana disha nama kiyati.
Prashamana dasha. Okay, the second line. Prashamana dasha.
Prashamana dasha nama kiyati.
Nakeke Lokesmin, you have two nas coming there. So first put one in. Lokesmin, comma. Next word starts with the A. Anishamai shokha bhirahitaha. Put a visarga at the end of that line if you don't have it. Anishamai shokha bhirahitaha, comma. Bhavat bhakta muktaha, comma. Sukha gatim asakta vidadhate. Nakeke lokesmin anishamai shokha bhirahitaha. Bhavat bhakta muktaha sukha gatim asakta vidadhate.
न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिम् असक्ता विदधते न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिम् असक्ता विदधते.
So in the fourth line, after muktaha, there is a comma.
Yes, yep.
Okay. Na ke lokesmin anishamayi shoka bhirahitaha bhavad bhakta muktaha sukagati masakta vidadhate. Na ke lokesmin anishamayi shoka bhirahitaha Bhavat bhakta muktaha sukagatim vidadhate.
We'll do one more and we can stop maybe. Mune praudha rudhaha jagati khalu gudhatmagatayo bhavat padam bhoja smarana virujo narada mukhaha charanti shaswairam satata parinirbhata parachet sadananda dvaita prasara parimagna kimaparam. So again, he's continuing there, saying the people, like we said earlier, right? He says a lot of your devotees have this freedom, etc. He says even sages like Sage Narada, who have, who he can go anywhere he wants. Nobody knows where he is. He has a freedom to go anywhere he wants. He has the highest of knowledge. He has all the knowledge. He's attained that knowledge. And, he's not bound by any sorrows, right? He doesn't have any sorrows as well. And then he's always being able to think about you and then, the well-being of the world. So he says he's getting this opportunity to be always blessed, immersed in your worship. So he says, what more can one desire, right? So he's kind of comparing that to the previous one. So similarly, what more can one desire? So that's where he was saying earlier that some of your devotees have already attained that state, and he's just continuing that. So Muni Praudha Rudhaha. So put a visarga there and a comma. Rudhaha, comma. Jagati Khalu Gudhatma Gatayo, comma. Bhavat Padam Bhoja Smarana Birujo Narada Mukhaha. Mune Praudha Rudhaha Jagati Khalu Gudhatma Gatayo Bhavat Padam Bhoja Smarana Virujo Narada Mukhaha.
Gata yoho, Rajesh.
Gata Yoda, there's no visarga there at the end. Gata Yoga. Gata Yoga.
Rajesh,
Gata yan Tamil.
Gata
Again,
Yaha, sometimes they might have. If they have Gata Yaha, they might sometimes have. Change it to Gata Yo in that case, but there's no visarga there.
Gata.
Is there any
அது
comma
ஏன்
after
நாரத
that?
முகாஹான்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காரு இதுல?
Narada என்ன புரியல?
இல்ல அந்த இடத்துல அந்த லைன் லாஸ்ட் லைன் எண்ட் பண்றது வந்து நாரத முகாஹான்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
What is the connection? Why Naradar?
Because Narada, as I said, right? Narada, he's see, there are, like I said, right, there are very few people who are in that who are majority of the souls, everybody, even Brahma, etc. They can only go, final destination is Vaikuntham, but there are very few people who are with Mahavishnu at Vaikuntham who can come anywhere they want, go anywhere they want, right? So Narada is one of those people who has that access of, he's not bound by any karma at all, and he can go anywhere he wants, and he has the highest of knowledge. So he says, like sages like Narada, who have all of that flexibility, who are not bound by sorrows, who completely have the ultimate knowledge, who are always happy, thinking about you, who can go anywhere they want. So that's what he's comparing. So he's kind of picking Narada as a reference.
Okay, perfect.
So the comma is only the first line. Muni
After
Prauda.
Rudaha. Yeah, after Rudaha. And then end of that line. Yeah, correct.
Thank you.
मुनि प्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरण विरुजो नारदमुखाः मुनि प्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरण विरुजो नारदमुखाः
मुनिप्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः. I think I gave unnecessary spaces.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. मुनिप्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः.
Charantisha Swairam, comma, Satata Parinirbhata Parachit. So you put a plus at the end of that line. So Swairam, comma, and then put a plus at the end of the third line, and then it goes continuously through end of the fourth line. So Parachit Sada Nanda Dvaita Prasara Parimagnaha. Is there put a ihs on Parimagnah Kimaparam? Charantisha Swairam Satata Parinirbhata Parachit Sadananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagnah Kimaparam.
चरन्तीश स्वैरं सतत परिनिर्भात परचित् सदानन्दाद्वैत प्रसर परिमग्ना किमपरम् चरन्तीश स्वैरं सतत परिनिर्भात परचित् सदानन्दाद्वैत प्रसर परिमग्ना किमपरम्
चरन्तीश स्वैरं सतत निर्भात परचित् सदानन्दाद्वैत प्रसर परिमग्नाः किमपरम् चरन्तीश स्वैरं सतत निर्भात परचित् सदानन्दाद्वैत प्रसर परिमग्नाः किमपरम्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. End the class here. Sandhranandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavad Bhati Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Shanaham कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.